Hello everybody, welcome to part 4 of Little Misfortune. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Let's continue the game. Now, the last time we left off, we were at the bus stop.
Ah, look, we have to wait 2 minutes. Yikes forever. I can't wait to meet Benjamin's cousin at the zoo. I'm gonna tell how badly Benjamin behaved, and that Benjamin should be ashamed.
That sounds great.
That's funny. She's like, yeah, I'm gonna get him in trouble. Is he a fox?
It says that all children under 15 years old can ride the bus for free. I'm 8, so I'm good.
Great.
Now that I think about it, maybe you'll need a bus ticket. You sound old.
I'm definitely older, but nobody can see me.
Okay. Are you like 20?
Yes, more or less.
Excuse me, she thinks 20 is old. I remember when I was little, I used to think that like 18-year-olds were super old.
Should I sit down and wait?
Do as you please.
Okay, thank you. I'll sit. I'm a bit tired from all the walking, you know.
I can imagine. You have very small feet.
Yes, I'm a little lady. That's what I am.
I'm a little lady.
Check those old ladies out. They're a little scary, don't you think?
Honestly, I've seen worse.
Really?
Yes.
You know, my mommy also uses that same mask. She likes to hide her smile and tears behind it.
Would you like to have a mask like that?
Nah, maybe. I don't know. The bus is here.
That lady's not wearing a mask. Love yourself.
This bus trip might take a while. Are you okay with that?
It's okay. Hiro is keeping me company.
Who is Hiro?
He's my friend from Japan. He's a ghost, you know. He's always saying, "Kiri wa doko desu ka?"
You're really funny, Misfortune. There is no such thing as ghosts.
Kiri wa doko desu ka?
Hey, Misfortune, look. There's a bunch of cows on the field.
Oh, I love cows.
Look at the cows, the cows.
Oh, that's so
look at the
cute.
baby.
Yeah, that's a little bull
Oh my
crap.
god.
That's for your life, little baby cow.
What?
Unlucky things seem to happen all the time.
Nästa djurparken. I think we're getting close to the zoo now.
Okay, great.
Okay, that cow literally just shit on its baby. Or a baby cow. That was gross.
Wow, here we are. I can't wait to go inside.
You have the ticket, right?
What ticket?
Oh,
What
didn't I give you a ticket earlier?
What? No, you didn't.
Oh dear, I'm sorry. I totally forgot. Do you have any ideas on how to get inside? You know, without paying.
I saw Mommy showing her boobies to the guy in the store, and she got some
Wow.
free food. But I haven't got any titties yet, so that might not work.
I see. Well, I have an idea. What if we use diversion?
What does diversion mean?
Well, make the cashier look somewhere else, you know. Fool him.
Okay, let me think what I can do.
Wow. This game, I swear, this game is not for children, even though it looks like it's for
They
children.
know about the missing children here. They know about the missing children here.
Let's go this way.
Any tickets to the zoo? Ew, yucky. No tickets, only yucky.
Only yucky. I absolutely love her voice. She has like such a cute voice. Phantasmagoria, the horror fair. Close. What is
Okay,
this?
this is breakable. Like, like with a rock or something. Like a stone.
Ooh, stony.
I think I came up with an idea. What if...
How to get inside the zoo. Break the window or tell a lie. Break the window.
What if I break this window and make a hell of a noise?
Wow, that's a wild idea, but I like it.
Thank you.
Yes, throw it. Oh. Ooh. Stony. Oh my god. Yes, she got Stony back, thank god. Oh, shit. Okay, I'm like, wait a second. I'm like, I'm supposed to go. He didn't even question her.
Isn't this wonderful? We'll get to see so many caged animals.
Caged animals?
By the way, you did a great job not getting caught by the vendor. Very impressive.
Thank you.
But now, we should find out where the wolf exhibit is.
Why? You mean Benjamin's cousin is a wolf?
Yes. Remember, he knows where the fox lives.
All right.
What does a fox do? Wait, is that how it goes? Run, little misfortune.
Look, birdie nam nam. Oh, what? What did you just say to me? Give yourself a fuck.
Oh, Misfortune, watch that mouth.
I don't care. This bird is mean.
Oh dear. We need to get your happiness back as soon as possible.
Give yourself a fuck. I'm gonna start saying that to people. Parrot. Bird num num parrot. Lifespan 10 to 20 years. Diet omnivore. Widely spread around the planet. Story. This kind of parrot lives across the entire world. They talk much but say very little. They usually work together with human pirates, natural-born thieves, founders of the Liberation Front.
It says the num num.
Oh, okay, we don't need it.
They talk much, but say that
Okay,
they
I've already
usually
read that.
work to get founders of the mean birdie.
I'm just gonna read it because she's like, listen, her voice is cute, but ain't nobody trying to read all that in her voice.
Look, this bird seems pretty smart.
It isn't. Trust me. Move on, Misfortune.
Okay.
Okay. Shadan. EDILIOUS. Bird EDILIOUS. Lifespan 60 to 100 years. Diet omnivore. Big cities. Story. These owls normally hang near libraries, bookstores, and coffee shops. Although they seem incredibly smart, their huge self-centered lifestyle drives them to gather useless information. They live off attention. So they're hipsters. Okay, cool. Moving on. Oh, it's the fuck you bird. Wait, where's the thing? Oh.
Somehow I feel offended by this bird.
Don't be. It doesn't know what it's doing.
Okay.
It has a ring on its, what is that, a feather finger? Let's read about this one. Oh, wow, fuckadilious. Fuckadilious this shittiest. Wow, fuck this shit. Lifespan, 40 to 7 years. Diet, omnivore, widely spread around the planet. Story. These birds multiply at a very high rate with different partners, leaving behind dysfunctional offspring. They don't care about anything as long as they are occupied by mindless entertainment. So this is totally gonna be my thumbnail. Okay. Moving on. Wait, no! Here. Steal bird seeds. Yes.
I'll take the seeds because I want to feed the birds so they're not hungry.
Okay, so I can feed these idiot birds. Yes, feed.
Bird, come eat your food. I love you.
She just literally threw that at the bird. She's... Wow. They fuck you out.
Berta, Berta. Come, Berta. Eat your food, Berta, Berta. Is your name Berta?
Berta, Berta. Wait, can I feed this idiot? Yeah, fuck this bird. It's mean. Throw it at him.
There you go. Robert and Mary, are you enjoying the food? You like it?
Awesome. Okay, all the birds are fed. This is a map?
Wow, so much to see and do.
Find the wolf area, so we know where to go. I think the zoo is about to close.
It's 6.
There, you see? Pet the wolfie.
Great job. Let's hurry up now.
Her hand looks so weird in that.
You know, I'm feeling really annoyed. Like a lot. What's happening to me?
I smell hormones waking up inside you.
What? Hormones?
No, hormones.
Ah, okay. What's that?
Your body's preparing to create life inside you. You'll get a lot of new feelings that are completely normal.
Ah, okay.
And you'll bleed for 3 to 5 days from your vagina.
Ew, yikes forever.
You will also suffer each month for many, many years. And society will treat you like garbage.
Are you for real?
Pretty much.
Yes, I am.
I think I need some emergency glitter.
Shut up. Okay, that...
So
That was
much
funny.
better.
Alright. She's like, what? Homos?
There are coins at the bottom of the fountain.
Yes, those are people's wishes.
Can one pay for wishes?
People nowadays think they can buy everything with money.
I wish I could throw a coin and ask for my happiness back. Also that Benjamin transform into a good foxy, because I would totally go out on a date with him. If he was good.
Are you done here, Misfortune?
Yeah.
He wants her to be happy. Ooh, what is this? Hold on, time out. Shut up. Aww. Happiness for everyone. Aww. Toys.
Ah, look at those sweet blushes. They could be all my babies.
Don't get too attached to those toys.
Don't worry, I'm just looking.
Why can't she go inside? I want a toy.
This looks like the way to the wolf.
Yes, let's go then.
Very interesting. Vargan wolf. Meat popsicle.
Oh my. Looks like this area is closed to the public.
Ah, damn it.
You will have to sneak past the janitor to get to the other side. Don't let her see you. Otherwise, she will lock you in and call your mommy.
Don't worry. I'm like a sweet little ninja.
Oh,
I could hide behind those boxes, right?
Great idea. Hide behind a box until she turns her back to you.
Alright, I'm ready. Let's do this.
you know, I want to see what happens if I don't hide from this chick. Oh,
Like a little ninja lady.
okay, never mind.
Done,
I guess I have to.
Misfortune. Now, wait for her to turn her back to you and...
And then kill her from behind?
What?
The
No.
fuck?
Why?
That's what the ninjas do in movies. I've seen like all of them. Don't tell mommy.
Well, this isn't a movie, so just do as I say. When she turns around, you can jump out and keep moving.
Alright then. It just looked a lot cooler on TV.
Yeah, no, you don't kill her.
Look, the bear in the picture is sucking a popsicle. It looks like it's strawberry flavored. Yummy.
Yummy.
Oh, damn it, my ninja move failed.
Oh. Oh.
Oh man, we got caught by the cops, busted by the law.
We should get out of here and find the wolf.
Alright.
Okay, well maybe I shouldn't have ran. Okay, well, since, you know, I got caught and everything. Oh. Since I got caught. Wait, what's this say?
It says,
Safety rules for handling the big bad wolf.
For handling the big bad wolf. If the wolf runs at you, ready to attack, then you shall not have any regrets about your life because you will most probably die. So if I don't have regrets, the wolf will let me pet it?
What?
Oh my god.
Says, if the wolf
oh no, okay, I already read that. No, let's
so
go. Come on. No.
What?
Alright, cool. So let's see. I can't play the computer?
Oh no, we are locked inside.
We need to find a key. Look around.
Alright.
Oh.
Maybe we can find a clue in the
code.
computer.
Yeah, but it needs a password. I'll find it.
Okay, so I need a password. Oh my gosh. Right here.
Is there
there's a
key
doll.
in here? Cool, another doll.
When broken hearts are chosen to receive the gift from the beyond.
When broken hearts are chosen to a gift, you say?
What's that?
Nothing.
Nothing.
Do I smell tea? Fancy.
Fancy. Okay, so... Oh, there's a coat. Okay, there's a whole bunch of stuff
I'll
now.
check
Okay,
those
cool.
buckets. Look, I found a paper with some numbers on it.
Keep it. It might be helpful.
Okay.
5468.
No key inside, but you know, these boots are made for walking. And that's just what they'll do.
Misfortune. Focus.
Okay.
Okay.
Any keys inside the bucket? Nah. Check out my computer skills. I bet the password is this one.
Wait, Misfortune.
I'm gonna try.
I think you're holding the paper upside down.
Don't interrupt me. I know what I'm doing. Keep quiet.
8945. Okay, 5468.
Oh yeah, Misfortune
Oh, yeah.
Ramirez Hernandez is a computer scientist.
You really surprise me.
A private shot. Let's see what it says. Popsicle. Is that a code? Talk about crazy.
Okay, so it says yesterday. Urania, hi, you there? Bladder bloat. Yeah, I was in the toilet. Urania. LOL. OMG, what the fuck? No need that info. Urania, how's that ear infection? Bladder bloat. It's fine. Urania. Super, we can talk some other time. Take care. Bladder boat. That looks like a penis. Like, okay. Bladder boat. I forgot to tell you about. There's a spare key inside the safe. If you need it sometime, it opens all the doors, all the cages. Code is 27581. Urania. Okay, I don't think I need it at the moment. I already have one, but thanks. Today, bladder bloat. Feeling much better today. How's the bear doing? Urania, it keeps sucking that popsicle. Is that normal? Bladder bloat. I'm not sure, but I like to watch. What the hell? Urania, gotta go. Gotta go fix Calvin's cage. Alright, so it's 27,581. 27,581.
Huh, a secret inside? Fancy.
27,580. Oh shoot. 80-1. Oh my god. 27, right? Oh my gosh. Okay, 27. 5. 8-1. I don't even know why the hell I put the numbers that I did. That's so weird. The key.
Yes, I'm the best little ninja lady. I got the key.
Little ninja lady.
Well done, Misfortune. Very impressive.
Thank you. Time to find the wolf. And if we get lucky, I'll pet it.
She's so cute. I'm a little ninja. I'm a little ninja lady.
Look, we found the wolf. Yes, and there's a note.
It must say where the fox lives. We need to take it.
I can reach it from here.
See if you can get inside.
Random note just there.
Hello, are you Benjamin's cousin? You know, that fluffy fox with the most dearest big blue eyes? No? I don't know anyone called Johnny. Who's that? I'm talking about Benjamin. He's the sweet-looking fox that ended up stealing my happiness. I'm not that into him anymore.
Maybe you should stop talking to him and find a way inside the cage, Misfortune.
All right.
Oh wait, there's something right there. The sign.
It says Canis lupus, also known as the big bad wolf. His favorite snack is red-hooded little girls. That's silly.
Remember the missing children?
Mm-hmm.
Maybe he's behind it all.
You think he's eating the children?
Who knows?
You're right. We should call the cops on him.
No, we don't want to get involved with the police.
Okay.
Please open. Yes.
Time to meet the wolf. Come, Wolfie, come.
Ooh.
Let me pet you. I'm a nice person. Wolfie? Ah, damn it. What scared him away? Why can't a little lady just pet the wolf?
Oh, that was unexpected.
Not to me. Animals usually run away from me.
That's
Aw.
too bad. But hey, the note is right there.
I'm gonna take it.
Yes, take it. My evil cousin's address. Fox. Okay, whatever that says.
My evil cousin's address. Fox, Skogsstigen 15. Open fields.
Okay.
It's Benjamin's address.
Good. Now we can get that stolen happiness back.
Alright, sweet.
It looks like the fastest way to the fox is by boat from Phantasmagoria.
Wait
Yes.
a minute. Are you telling me we are going to Phantasmagoria?
It seems that way, yes.
Oh, sweet. I always wanted to go. Yes.
Yeah, let's go. Do I have to like walk all the way over there? Oh,
Are you
okay.
up for another round of questions while we walk?
Sure. My question answering skills are all warm up.
Great, great. And as usual, just be honest and you'll do fine. First question. Have you ever heard this question before?
No?
Nah, you mean this one? Yes, I have not heard that question before.
All right. Second question. Have
That was
you
weird.
ever lied to a friend?
No.
Nah, I swear.
Whatever you say, Misfortune. Now, for the last question. Have you ever seen someone die?
Oh. I'm gonna say yes. Only because her life is already like fucked up, so.
I saw Granddad die. It was
Aw.
very calm. Not like in the movies. It was different. I told him to come haunt me as a ghost, but he hasn't done it yet.
thank you for your honesty again, Misfortune.
You're welcome.
We're getting really close to Phantasmagoria now.
Yeah, I can hear. Exciting.
Ooh. Alright guys, this is where I am going to stop the game. Please like this video. If you like this gameplay, like it, seriously. Subscribe if you have not. And comment below what your favorite part of this this gameplay was. I think it was when I read that fuck bird. But anyway, this is like so much fun. So anyway, I'm so happy that you guys made it all the way to the end. I love you guys, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys!